All right, family, welcome back. Once again, it's Makisha Styles, aka Keish, and I will be your host for today. If you've been following on the other videos, you know that XtreamFX Global Academy is definitely the academy you want to be in if you're serious about learning how to trade Forex, cryptocurrency, or just start to build an overall business. XtreamFX Global Academy is the way to go. Now, in other videos, I broke down, the pricing of it. I broke down everything they have to offer, but I never have broke down who exactly is behind the XtreamFX Global Academy. Well, here you are. Today, I want to go over the founders and co-founders of the company so that now you can feel more comfortable when you lock arms with our family, because we call ourselves a family for a reason. One is that we have an innovative trading platform with intimate classroom feel. So what does that mean? That means that when you get started with XtreamFX, you're not coming in and just being bombarded with a whole bunch of different tools, resources, and everything. When you're coming in, you have a classroom feel. That means that if you're the type like myself who's like, hey, I need that more one-on-one, that personable touch where I can just come off mute and be like, hey, I have a question, Keish, and someone answers a question for me, that's the type of learning platform that I love, okay? Another thing is that we're the only company with a youth academy. What does that mean? That means that you can have your youth come in. You hear me talk a lot about my nieces and nephews and how I teach them how to trade. The same thing here. So imagine that you not knowing anything about trading, but you have your youth come in, or your niece or your nephew or your son or your daughter, or just the youth period come in, and they catch hold of this immediately, okay? Because they're coming from a clean slate, and the youth, they catch on to things a lot faster, especially when it comes to technology. So we are one of the companies with a youth academy. Another thing about this is that they are headquartered in the United States. So there's no running, going over to other countries no, we're right here in the United States. And another thing is that the co-founders and the founders own less than 1% of the market share. Yes, less than 1%, which means that they are committed and focused on ensuring that you get the proper training needed in the XtreamFX Global Academy. And between the four of them, between Mr. Dynamite Sloan, right, the founder, between Reagan Lynch and Megan Lynch, the co-founders, and between Jacob Milkel, right, they've been in other companies and they've seen what works and what doesn't work, and they created the XtreamFX Academy for each and last one of us. And between the four of them, we have over 56 years combined experience in the industry. Yes. And another thing about the XtreamFX Global Academy is that we are 100% debt free. And as you can't see, when you're looking at the screen right here, from our four founders and co-founders, you see that they are 100% African American owned. Actually, one of the top network marketing companies, one of the top educational companies that are 100% African American owned. With that alone, I was like, okay, I know that they are really for the people. And they like to say, we have a slogan here that you actually have founders that can be found. They're not hiding behind the desk, just not know where to be found. No, they actually do trainings for us, okay? You actually can pick up the phone and talk to them, right? These are founders that are truly committed to ensuring that you see success in XtreamFX Global Academy. So that is all today. I just want to give you a brief sneak peek overview of the founders and co-founders of our lovely company. And if you're looking to lock arms with us, make sure you either check the link to this video, or you get back with whoever refers to this video. And we're looking forward to having you as a member of our lovely XtreamFX Global Academy. This has been Makisha Styles, aka Keish here, and I'm looking forward to, like I said, seeing you in our academy.